Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the trade panel by pressing the T key while in a town hub. Enable the only way trade filter to see items permitted for this league. Familiarize yourself with common currencies like Chaos, Exalted, and Orb Shards. Set your price in Chaos equivalents to simplify offers across players. Use the price check tool to compare current market rates quickly and reliably. Lock trade offers using the trade lock button to prevent accidental changes during negotiations. Confirm trade terms, list items by control-clicking them into the trade slot from your inventory. Attach screenshots or detailed notes for unique mods to help buyers decide. Use public stash tabs to showcase multiple items at once to traders. Price stacks using stack size and item condition to avoid underpricing. Respond to whispers fast because active sellers get better offers overall. Set a buyout in Chaos equivalents and leave room for counteroffers. Refresh listings periodically to reflect shifting demand during league events. Always verify items in the trade window before accepting any offer. Check seller or buyer name and history to reduce scam risk. Never trade outside the in-game system for protection and recourse. Use middleman services only when they are officially recognized and trusted. Confirm currency counts and socket links visually before finalizing exchanges. Report suspicious behavior and fraudulent trades through the support system immediately. Tip or leave feedback for smooth traders to build trust in the community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.